my dear children, how are you? I hope you are staying safe at your houses. And from today, we are having the classes. So today we'll talk about English. Okay. So in English, how many letters do we have? Do anyone can say how many letters are there in English? English lo inni letters untayi manaki. So you all of us know we have how many letters are there in English subject? Inni letters ఉంటాయి మనకి ఇంగ్లీష్ సబ్జెక్ట్ లో 26 letters ఉంటాయి. ఎన్ని letters ఉంటాయి? 26. We have 26 letters. So ఈ 26 letters ని మనం two types లో రాస్తాం. ఎలా? One is capital letters and the second one is small letters. So 26 letters అనేవి capital letters కింద and also small letters కింద మనం నోట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. Yes or no? So first I'll write the capital letters on the board and then you can follow them. Okay? So the 26 letters will be written in the capital form. So first, capital letters. Do all of you know what are the capital letters? How to write the capital letters? Do you know how to write the capital letters? Let me write once and you can follow it at your houses. First, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the 26. So these are the 26 letters in the capital form. So once again repeat: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These 26 letters in English are written in capital form. Capital form lo letters అనేవి ఈ విధంగా ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ఈ లెటర్స్ అనేవి మనం ఎప్పుడు నౌన్ ఫార్మ్స్ యూస్ చేసినప్పుడు లేదంటే the second type is small letters. So the second type is small letters. In the small letters we'll write in this way: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. So here X, Y, Z. Once again repeat them: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is the small letter form. Capital letters లో ఇందాక నోట్ చేసిన విధంగా ఉంటాయి, స్మాల్ లెటర్స్ ఈ విధంగా ఉంటాయి. I know you all of you know that, but once again we are recalling it. Okay. So this is the form. Once again, main difference is this is known as the B and this is the D. Remember this properly. B అనేది ఈ విధంగా ఉంటుంది, D అనేది ఈ విధంగా ఉంటుంది. Major mistake is made here. So follow this carefully. So is it clear up to here? So small letters we have alphabets, 26 alphabets. In that alphabets, they are divided into capital letters and the small letters. Capital letters are written before, and now this is the small letters. Okay. So now these letters can also be written in cursive writing. So third, fourth, fifth children, please pay attention to look here. So now we are starting to write the cursive writing. Cursive writing. Cursive writing. Cursive writing. So in the cursive writing also, alphabets అనేవి capital letters లో ఉంటాయి, small letters లో కూడా ఉంటాయి. So first we will practice the capital letters. Okay. Capital letters. In the capital letters, A will be starting in this way. Okay. We all of us know in the capitals we write the A like this. We write the A like this. So when we write in the cursive handwriting, it should be some slanting, and the A should be written like this. A అనేది ఎలా రాయాలి? From the point here, it should be started, and it should be written like this. And this letter is known as the A. Okay. It should be some slanting. Slanting అంటే కొంచెం cross గా note చేసుకోవాలి. Next, the next letter is B. So the B should be written like this. Okay, B అనేది నార్మల్ గా అయితే ఇలా నోట్ చేస్తాం కదా, but this cursive should be started like this. This is the B. B letter should be started like this. The next letter, what is the next letter? C. C should be written like this. The C should be written in this way. C అనేది ఈ విధంగా నోట్ చేసుకోవాలి. Next, what is the letter? After C, the next letter is D. Okay, we all of us know, we'll write the D like this. In the capital letters, normal writing. Yes or no? In the cursive writing, the D should be written like this. It should be started slowly in this way, and it should be written like this. A, B, C, D. Okay, is it clear up to here? See children, A should be somewhat slanting as we write in the normal writing. Normal writing లో ఏ విధంగా అయితే ఉంటున్నాయో cursive లో అదే విధంగా ఉంటాయి, but it should have some difference. ఆ difference ఏంటనేది observe చేస్తే cursive writing is so easy. So A should be some slanting. It should start from this point and should be written like this and should be changed. Next, the letter B. B is also same way, but it should be some changed. Next, C అనేది ఈ point of view start చేసుకుని, C అనేది ఈ point ని start చేసి ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి? Next, the D should be started from this tip. ఈ point నుంచి D should be started. అంటే D ఇక్కడ నుంచి start చేసి ఈ విధంగా D ని నోట్ చేయాలి. Okay. After completing D, what is the next letter after D? E. E should be written like this. So normal letter అయితే E ఎలా ఉంటుంది? ఈ విధంగా. This is the normal writing. Okay. But in the cursive writing, it is the form. So in the cursive writing, E should be started like this. Okay. Next, what is the next letter? E after next letter is the F. F should be written in this way. How we will have in the normal way? F is this one. Yes or no? So after this, now in the cursive writing, the F should be in this way. It should start from this point and should end here, and again should be started with this letter. E, F. Next letter. What is the next letter? G. G should be written like this. It should start from here. It should go move like this, and this is the letter G in the cursive writing. Next. After G, the letter is H. How to write the H? In this way. We should write the H in this way. Next. After H, what is the letter? G, H, I. I should be written like this. The capital letter in cursive writing, I will be like this. Okay. Next is the J. After I comes J. J should be written like this. Okay. You know, small letters we write G in this way. So in the cursive writing, capital letter J will be like this. Next, after I, J, the next letter is K. Very good. Look here, after completing the J, what is the next letter? K. So the next letter K will be similar as it is in the capital form of normal letters. The next after K, L. After K, the letter is L. So the letter L should be written like this. Okay. Then after L, what is the next letter? The next letter is M. M should be written like this. The letter M should be written like this. Okay. Then comes the next letter is N. M tarvata the next letter indi N. So the next letter is N. The next letter is N. After N, the next letter is O. What is the next letter? Is O. Again, L, M, N, O. After that, the next letter is, what is the next letter after O? P. The next letter after O is P. Okay. After the next letter of O is P. And next after P is Q. Q should be written as the O and we have to give a slant one. Okay. After writing O, the next letter is P. P after what is the next letter? Q. Q should be written as the O and then we should write the tail for the Q. Okay. P, Q. After Q, what is the next letter? R. The next letter is R. The next letter is R. R. You know how to write the R? Yes or no? R should be written like this. P, Q, R. The next letter is yes. What is the next letter? Yes. Yes should be written like this. The next letter yes should be written like this. We should start from here and it should be written like this. P, Q, R, yes. What is the next letter of the yes? It is T. The next letter after yes. The next letter after yes is T. The next letter of yes is T. P, Q, R, yes, T. The next one is U. The next one is U. Okay. S, T, U. The next letter is U. Then after U, what is the next letter? V. The next letter is V. After V, the next letter will be W. The next letter is, after U, the next letter we wrote is the V. Then after next letter is W. How should we pronounce it? It as W. Okay. So W should be written in this way. Then after W, what is the next letter? The next letter is W. Next after, what is the next letter? X. The next letter is after W, the next coming letter will be X. Okay. What is the next letter? X. Next, WX. Next letter, Y. What is the next letter? Y. And the last letter is Z. So this is the cursive form of capital letters. This is the cursive form of capital letters. See children, E to Z capital letters in the cursive writing should be practiced. Okay, So cursive writing, capital letters are completed. Yes or no, children? The next form is small letters. Okay. Second type even చెప్పుకున్నాం మనం small letters. స్మాల్ లెటర్ కర్సివ్ లో స్మాల్ లెటర్స్ అనేవి ఎలా యూజ్ చేస్తామంటే మాక్సిమం అన్నిటికీ కూడా వీల్ యూజ్ ద స్ట్రోక్. ఆ స్ట్రోక్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? ఇన్ దిస్ ఫార్మ్. ఓకే, ద స్ట్రోక్ షుడ్ బి ఇన్ దిస్ ఫార్మ్. ఓకే, స్ట్రోక్ అనేది ఇలా వస్తుంది. మనం రాసే ప్రతి లెటర్ లో కూడా ఈ స్ట్రోక్ అనేది యూజ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం స్మాల్ లెటర్స్ లో. సో విల్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ ఏ. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ఈజ్ ఏ. సో స్ట్రోక్. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ స్ట్రోక్ విల్ రైట్ ద లెటర్. Okay, A. Next, again with the stroke, B. Okay, B. Okay, A, B. How we are using the stroke? Yes or no? The stroke should be like this in the small letters. Small letters compulsory ga kuda manu stroke use chestu untam. Ee vidhanga B anedi vastundi. Next, C. Okay, next, what is the next letter after C? D. The next letter is D. Then after comes E. Okay. So if you observe, మీరు observe చేస్తే ప్రతి చోట మనం ఈ స్ట్రోక్ యూజ్ చేసాం. Yes or no? So complete letters అన్ని కూడా ఈ స్ట్రోక్ యూజ్ చేస్తూ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే మనకి ఈజీగా వస్తుంది. Okay. Next, after E, what is the next letter? F. Okay. Next, G. After that, H, I, J. Next, K. Okay, observe it properly. The stroke is used everywhere. Next, after K, what is the next letter? L. Okay, next, M, N, O. Okay, next, O after P. Next letter is Q. After Q, what is the next letter? R. P, what is the next letter? Q. Q should be written like this. Q. Okay. After Q, the next letter is R. The next letter is R with the stroke. With the stroke, we are writing the R. So up to here clear? Then we'll write the next. What is the next letter after R? The next letter after R is yes. Okay. The next letter after R is yes. Once again, let me write. The next letter after R is yes. Okay. After yes, the next letter is T. The next letter is T. The next U. Then V. W. Sorry, W. W, the next letter is X. Okay. Then after X, what is the next letter? Y. After Y, the last letter is Z. In the capital letter and in the small letters, the Y and Z will be similar, but the size will be short. When we write in the small letter, the letter will be short. Okay, is it clear? So this is about the alphabets. So we'll continue the next thing in the next class. Thank you.